I'm okay. I'm fine. Quinchana. Quinchana. Ting, ning, 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 ning. Ku menahan rasa sakit. Rasa sakit.
Few moments later.
Hello everyone, my name is Imamatul Rafi'ah. I'm class in 12 accounting. I study at SMK Tahfidz Azharul. Here I will tell you about Somya. This is photo. This is a photo of my mother. My mother is a wonderful person who loves me very much. That takes good care of me every single day. She gives me a nice, warm home to live in. When I am feeling sad or hurt, she gives me big hug to make me feel better. I am so lucky to have such an amazing mother who loves me with all her heart. There are not enough words to tell about mother because she is everything to me. To my mother, thank you for everything. I love you more than anything.